Alright everybody, what's up? Today I'm going to be installing this new Gktech diff cover, and it's anodized in my favorite color, you know, orange for the win. And these weird performance from Bink Industries R200 Z-axle stubs with Z-axles. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got the diff out. As you can see, it's pretty freaking dirty, you know? So what I'm going to do is get a bunch of brake clean and a wire brush and scrape it off. So then when I put the new cover on, it doesn't get all dirty and it doesn't get dirt in the diff. So I got to drain the diff also, so let's do that.
Beat by block.
Alright, so I'm going to be doing the axle seals. Which one to do? So get you two of these guys. Two of these national seals. This is the part number for R200 diff. Get you a seal puller. Throw this down like so. Seals up like so. I'm going to take you through this install of this diff. It's just going to take some time, so bear with me.
Beat by block.
Alright, so this is the fully assembled 4-bolt or 2-bolt diff, whatever you need, from Gktech with the extra 900 cc's, which is a quart basically of extra fluid capacity. Got your studs, your venting there, fill, drain, and fill if you have like a tube chassis, I guess. So we're going to put this dude on. Alright guys, so that's the end of this part of this video, but you got the diff and the cover on, and you get some new bolts, get this put on, get it stuffed in there, and do the Gktech relocation for the lower control arm mounts and the bushings, the spherical bushings. So thanks for watching.